in a case of adultery, how much damages will the adulterer pay, and will he still pay maintenance for the woman or also for the children? Now, in a divorce case, when the grounds for that divorce is strictly on adultery, it's important you know this. When it comes to damages, the amount of damages that the man or the woman is going to pay is first of all dependent on what you ask in the court. So if you file a case, for instance, and you're asking for damages of 5 million naira, the court cannot give you 100 million. If you're asking for damages of 10 million, the court cannot give you 200 million. So it depends on what you, first of all, you are asking as damages. So when you file your case, you know the appropriate damages you want. You write it there. You need damages of so and so amount. Then now the court is going to consider so many things before arriving at that. Number one, the court may consider issues of the length of marriage. Maybe you've been married for 20 years. Now you are going on the ground of adultery. Definitely the court will see that you really need to be compensated well. Then you are married for maybe just 3 years and you are moving on the grounds of adultery. I'm not a judge in this instance, but I don't think if the person who has married for 3 years asking for 100 million and the person who has married for 25 years asking for 100 million, I don't even think there's any court in Nigeria that would give the person married for 3 years 50 million or even 25 million. In my own, now, look, I speak, it's my own personal opinion. But the person who has married for 22, 23 years is likely to get more in damages because the court will weigh, there are many things the court is going to weigh together, both length of marriage, the effect of the things that have been done, many things the court will weigh together. So when it comes to damages, it is strictly on the discretion of the judge. The discretion of the judge. So your own or your lawyer's own is to draft, and put the amount for damages that he expects or you expect, the court to give to you. Then the court will now look at it, and in the court's discretion and wisdom, the court will award damages. Now, when it comes to maintenance, definitely, the fact that you are getting divorced on grounds of maintenance has no business with the children. He's still going to pay maintenance for the children. Yeah, child support for the children is still compulsory, and depending on what both of you may agree on the compulsory conference, if there is no agreement, the court will go ahead, to make orders as regarding child maintenance and also maintaining the woman. Now, it depends. If the court gives the woman something tangible as compensation or as damages, the court may not listen to the issue of maintenance for the woman. Note my word, may not, except if probably in the compulsory conference that was held, parties agreed as regarding maintenance for the woman. But if the court looks at it and said, okay, you know what is good for this woman is that it will be good for maintenance to be ordered. Definitely maintenance is going to be ordered. So go ahead and file your case and leave it to the wisdom of the courts to decide on what should be done or what you are entitled to. If you gain value from the video, share with me at the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. Please don't forget to give me a follow. Like this video so you keep getting more legal content like this. Thank you.